Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
My name is Danish Seth.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Thank you very much for going through all the big comedians in India and then coming to me.
Hey, man.
we want to be ready for you. We want to be like, we've done our research and, now we can take on Danish. But
See,
thank you.
I am so glad that I'm doing this. I actually messaged him and I said I want to do this. It's very rare that I actually want to do something. But that's also because I've always been very fond of you guys. Always.
Thank you so much.
I always have thought you all are very talented. And in fact, we worked together
Yeah.
as
Yes,
well.
yes.
And I had a great time. Then one day he said, I can't. I think he didn't like working with
No.
He said, I'll leave. So I said, okay, fine. Good. But have you done anything with stand-up or no?
Yeah. I've done some stuff with
He's
stand-up,
doing,
man.
he's doing.
He's doing.
Good
Yeah,
job.
doing.
And I'm glad you started this as well.
Yeah.
So I had to
good.
be here to support him and
Hey,
support
what is
you.
the PTA
Thanks,
meeting?
thanks.
A
Yeah.
parent-teacher meeting.
He's like
this has become.
checking in on the son after 1 year. Where is he reached now?
Okay, I came here, I saw
Yeah.
this. He's got art and he's
Yeah.
got like little installations next to his TV.
I've seen his houses when it was a pure bachelor
Absolutely.
house. And,
When he said, come shoot in my house,
Yeah.
I thought we were catching up at that
Indranagar.
place in Indranagar.
Yeah.
Then he said Koramangala and I was a little worried.
Yeah.
Is he financially doing okay? Why has he moved to Koramangala?
why is that move happening?
Why is that happening?
Yeah.
Then I see he's got a green couch
Easy.
and like a little plant inside the
I'm
house.
still not used to it, bro. We shoot in Bombay in a studio, and I was like, I was worried, can it match the studio vibe? This is better than the studio.
Thank you.
Now
Thank
the
you,
studio
guys.
is not going to be good enough.
Thank
We
you.
got to
Thank
figure
you very
something
No,
out.
now you have to fly people in here. And like, look at that piece of art above the
Yeah,
TV.
that's-
It's like a gentleman from
Yeah.
the
What's it
60s American
Dennis Hopper,
era.
Nightcrawl.
Nightcrawler, it has a name. When
Oh,
you
it
know
has
when a
Nightcrawler.
painting has a name, it's like
Nightcrawler, yeah.
it's something. You mentioned Singapore. You just came from Singapore, right?
I was in Singapore. I took my son out for his first holiday.
That's
Actually, it was
awesome.
also our first holiday out together as a family.
Amazing.
We were very worried if we'd be able to manage
Yeah.
without any help, and we didn't know what to expect, right?
Yeah.
Because I feel like if you're a momfluencer or a dadfluencer, the day your child is born, you already know things.
Yeah.
Yes.
But if you're a regular person who's just going through life, then you're trying to figure it out.
Correct.
right?
Every day is a learning
Yeah,
experience.
every day is a learning. But these guys already know.
Yeah.
So they're telling us what to do.
Yeah.
So I went there with Anne and my son. Beautiful, man.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Singapore's
What we
killer.
could ideally do in 2 days, we took like 5 days.
That's
Sure,
the way
you
to
gotta
vacation.
spread things
Yeah,
out.
that's the way to vacation
Slow
also.
it
Yeah,
down.
slow.
Slow it
But
down.
that, I'm sure that helps, right? Because you were saying you guys have that thing of gotta keep going. Is this in a good way slowing you down? Would you
Yeah,
say?
it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Yeah, for sure, right?
Like I found myself doing things that I otherwise wouldn't.
Yeah.
Like we took him to the oceanarium because I think Anya read somewhere that infants like seeing underwater stuff.
Okay, yeah.
Like fish and
Yeah,
Singapore's
absolutely.
oceanarium is quite beautiful. It's
Yeah,
very-
I've been there many years
have?
back. Yeah, when I was a teenager, I had gone. It was amazing.
It's done very nicely.
The arch
yeah.
and you're inside.
Yeah.
Oh, so
the
nice.
shark and
Yeah.
whatever. right?
Underwater world or something? Is it called?
Oceanarium.
Oceanarium. Okay.
So we took him there, and I found myself also slowing down because I had to wait for him to grasp what was happening
Yeah.
inside, right? He probably doesn't know what's there,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
he's just so caught by the movement of the
Yeah.
fish inside the aquarium
Yeah.
or that giant thing moving that way
That's true.
that you invariably have to slow down.
Yes.
So interesting.
So yeah, it was a great time, and I think Singapore's infrastructure for just taking a stroller or
walking, just general like.
it's very nice. Yeah, it's
living.
very nice. Yeah.
Man, I think I my problem. I found my problem. I already live like I have 4 children. That's the speed at which I am operating. but I had gone to Singapore as a kid. I was telling him because I was saying, Danish, I saw your Instagram story that you've been there recently. I had gone from Bangalore with my parents, and it was the weirdest experience. I met 2 other families from my apartments in Singapore, and that's
Oh.
the worst feeling. You try to escape from your city.
You find them
Forget
again.
city. They are Domlur, my area. 2 families. We've all gone at the same time. I'm like, oh damn! I thought it was unique.
Yeah, man. But I mean, like, I can't even imagine how slow is. Because
me
I've-
slow?
Yeah, because I've worked with you, right?
Yeah. That's right.
You're
He
like,
used to call me just to calm down, to
yes.
slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
I would.
Oh, he would call you to
I'm
tell you
like
slow
that.
down. I'm so
Whenever
sorry,
he's
man.
getting too ambitious, he'll call me and I'm like, calm down, slow down. I'm 0.75x and you are 1.25.
because you have this thing of like, oh, wait, why don't you do this? Why don't you do that? And I will call him, why don't we do this? He's like, let's not do that. And then I'll slowly come back.
Not saying I'm right. It's just somewhere in the middle is the right place.
Because it started with us working together on the
Yeah, we did a thing together. I
with
think
that Sprite thing,
Sprite,
right?
yeah.
Right?
Sprite.
And I
Yeah,
told
yeah,
you
yeah.
guys, y'all are so good there.
Yeah, that's
because
where we
y'all had
scored.
written for every
Yeah,
other
yeah.
comic in the
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.
All the
Yeah.
big ones, you
Yeah.
guys had written the jokes for them, for that
Yeah.
Sprite joke in a
Yeah.
bottle,
Yeah.
which I thought was a great campaign, by the
Yeah.
way.
Yeah.
So you guys wrote that, and I met you all there,
Yeah.
and I said, phenomenal work, because it's so hard to joke about things that is sensitive to a brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Works for them, at the same time works for the comedian,
Yeah.
and more importantly, it works for the audience, because the ultimate idea of what we do is to entertain people. And
Yeah.
if you're
Yeah,
not doing that,
exactly.
then don't do it.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right? So I thought it was so nicely done, and
Yeah.
that's when I was very fond of you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, appreciate
So, and
it.
that day itself, you like sat us in the vanity and gave us like.
No, it was good. It was good. You gave us some.
dressing down.
We needed a spurt of energy, and something came out of it.
Yeah.
Something good came out.
Yeah,
of
but
it.
I have always been like that.
Yeah,
I am a
yeah.
little, in fact, even at home, I'm usually told, like, just like, slow down, man.
Yeah.
Just ease down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, by the way, sorry, Sprite is Coke only, right?
Sprite is Coke.
Hey, so
Yeah. Okay.
sponsor us if you want Coke. We are looking for a
Yeah, but
sponsor. right
I
now.
don't know how they're doing. Is Coke doing very well in India?
After Campa has
yeah.
messed them up a little bit. They
Back-
brought down the prices by 50%. Brought down.
Why big Campa is that
Because
cheap? or what?
Campa is, I mean, they follow the Geo model, right?
Geo
Which is just
model.
like reduce prices and
Sure.
then scale it up.
Oh,
But
I didn't know this.
do people know you worked at Cadbury?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
yeah,
do.
we
Yeah,
bring it
yeah,
up.
yeah, they do. Yeah, yes.
That's why you can say things like Geo and this and that and
Yeah.
get away.
Yeah.
You know, and some guy on the other side who's never seen
Yeah.
Gotham before is thinking, "Oh my
Yeah,
God,
how is he saying
how's a
this?
all comedians are very intelligent." That's
People
not true.
of this podcast,
This one is.
No, bro. The people of this podcast know very well about
Yeah.
my education. But they are irritated by it.
You know what? We have a running gag where I'll bring up that this guy went to IIM. And then in the comments, they'll be like, why is this Gotham bringing up IIM every time?
No,
But I'll
you
bring
have
it
to.
up.
Yeah, you have to.
It
You have
works
to.
really well. It's
no,
a
but
badge.
it does. You see Vipul Goyal, you see Biswa.
Yeah.
I feel like just the fact that they went to IIT and
Yeah.
IIM.
Yeah.
People are very fond of them for that, of course. I mean, they're
Yeah.
extremely good at what they
Yeah,
do, and I
yeah.
think that
Yeah.
one of among the funniest people in this
Yeah.
country.
Yeah, but if it helps, use it.
Yeah.
Use
why
it.
not?
Yeah.
Actually.
I'm planning to-
I never went the academic path. Right? I was just like, it was a means to an end.
Sure.
It was just like I screwed up in BTech, so I had to do something to get
But what is comedy then?
some means to an end. It is another
Yeah,
end.
but listen, I must say, I went to the IIM campus in
Bangalore?
Bangalore.
Oh,
amazing.
beautiful.
What the
3 Idiots.
Fully sustainable,
Yeah.
crazy.
insane. So some company was doing an event there, and they called me to speak.
Hmm.
So I was quite excited to go there,
Yeah.
and I went in, and the event was in that main auditorium
Yeah,
or
yeah,
whatever.
Yeah, the one in the movie Three Idiots.
Yeah.
But I had the time to kind of drive around a little
yeah.
bit and this and that, and I went and saw the campus, and I was like, if
Yeah.
my college
Yeah.
looked like this.
Yeah.
Correct. It would just change the way you approach college. It would just be,
I thought, man, I would have enjoyed my education so
Yeah,
much more. I feel like we need more institutes like
Yeah,
these,
yeah.
right?
I enjoyed my
You went to
education.
Bangalore?
No, I went to Calcutta.
Wow.
Yeah.
Dude, I did a gig in IIM Bangalore a couple of years back, and the people who got me there after the gig, they took me. They said we'll drive around campus. Then they took me near one lake. There's a lake.
Oh,
or
I didn't see the
something.
lake, yeah.
Like a pond, basically.
Okay.
And then they stopped the car and they're like, okay, shall we do the deal now? They took cash from the bag and gave me. I'm like, damn, this is how it works in IIM. Huh? I thought invoice and all will be coming, but we'll
No, that's classic tax evasion.
yeah, but they did tell me every time
Yeah.
that this is where Three Idiots was shot. You were on
Yeah.
that stage. I'm like, damn, I didn't say anything.
The
close
Bangalore
to,
campus is it is the best
Is it?
among the IIMs.
and they have that
I've heard even
sustainable
Ahmedabad
goals.
is very good because
Yeah.
my brother-in-law went there.
ABC are
yeah,
like the
so
top, right?
Ahmedabad, it's a smaller campus, but it has that, what is this guy? Louis Kahn, LKP, it's called. Louis Kahn is a very famous architect.
Okay.
The red structure
Got it. His basically look.
brainchild. So
Yeah.
its architecture
Wow.
is very, very nice.
But is it the same brick? Is it the same stone and cement? Because these places don't look like the Bangalore campus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't look it's not an outstanding piece
Yeah,
of
it's like
architecture.
Yeah.
brown,
but it is
grey kind of.
grey,
Yeah,
stone,
grey.
stone. But it looks like it is timeless.
Ah.
It looks like it's been there forever and it
Yeah.
will be
It'll
there.
be there forever.
yeah,
You're right.
That's
Yeah,
right. That's
yeah,
right.
yeah.
Yeah, so this one, Ahmedabad's campus looks beautiful. Kolkata's all right. Kolkata has
Hey, take that
it's
back.
an all right campus.
All
it's
right,
it's
okay.
not right. Not
Look at him being ungrateful to his
No,
alma
no,
mater.
it's great.
They've given
I
him
mean-
so much.
I
Hey, you know
swear,
what? I
Eden Gardens is a stone's throw away, right? I mean, I don't know how
No,
close
it's not.
it
It's
is.
very
very
far.
far. If
It's
you
very
can throw,
far.
then it's close.
But these government institutes are very good. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anya went to NID.
Ah.
So she can't
Ahmedabad,
stop
right?
jabbering, yeah. She's like, it's so good, it's so
Yeah.
good. I'm like, oh, okay,
But bro,
yeah,
like,
fine.
if it's an institute of design, they have to make the campus
Yeah.
look like killer, and it's the best, I think.
So
Right?
I read somewhere that Vikram Sarabhai,
Ah.
he gave the land
Oh.
and said India needs a design school.
Damn.
Oh, man.
Sometimes I feel like these men were such visionaries and
But how much
thinkers.
land he had? That's what I
You
think.
have to get to the bottom of that.
Yeah,
That
Why-
is the
why you
and
trying
the
to-
generosity.
yeah.
Anyone who's building a rocket, I'm like, why are you trying to escape this? What do you have that you want to escape this world? Huh?
No, fair enough. Good question. Very good question.
Sorry, ISRO, if you want to sponsor us.
Yeah, sorry.
ISRO doesn't sponsor anything. I
No.
think. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, I've done a show, man. It's going to come out sometime soon.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the other thing about an actor life. You
Yeah,
do a
you
show,
never
you
know
don't
when-
know when it's going to come
It's
out.
in the pipeline. Yeah.
So I've done a show on Chandrayaan 3
Oh,
with the TVF guys.
Oh,
That's awesome.
Oh yeah, you
I did,
you went
I
for
did
shooting.
tell you this.
Yeah, you went for
know
shooting.
this.
Yeah.
You know this. So I saw
Chandrayaan
the
3
show.
is the one with the Vikram lander thing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
That one. Okay, nice.
So I don't know when it's going to come out, but I hope people are fascinated looking at it because, I mean,
It's done. It's in the can. Like it's shot and
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Awesome, dude. Have you been to the ISRO campus?
No, you
here
have,
in
right?
Bangalore. Yeah, I did a.
I want
gig
to.
there. Dude, I did a gig there. The entry only. That's how I started. I'm like, they did like 7 rounds of security check. Fair enough.
fair enough.
I was like nervous. I was the most nervous I've been on stage because they've checked me like in ways I've never been checked before. And they showed us the Chandrayaan 3 satellite before it had been launched, and yeah, one screw.
You
was,
wrote kya there? Shamek. Shamek
like
was here.
the cast,
Yeah.
fractured hand. Everyone signed
Comics and rockets getting coffee.
First joke in space I want to be, like they send that, right? Some Voyager, Voyager the shuttle.
Uh-huh.
Which
Yeah.
it just keeps flying to outer space. It keeps
Yeah.
going. It has like a Pink Floyd song. And
Oh,
like, it has
yeah.
things from
Oh,
culture
really?
that they've sent out in case extraterrestrial life finds it. You want to sum up human life? There's 5 things you can check out. I don't know if they have the same USB port or no. I don't know. how they
they'll be
No,
like,
but that guy can do T2, T2, whatever.
I watched
Understand the music. Anything he listens to, still the music is that. T2, T2.
I watched Independence Day, that Hollywood film back when we
Yeah?
were growing up. That
Yeah?
was the famous thing of
Yeah.
that was this guy plugs a USB
Yeah.
into the mothership of the
Oh.
alien ship. We didn't even question
and
it
it's
then.
USB A, not even C.
Yeah,
Universal
but
port
it's
is
truly
USB. Yeah.
universal.
What is
That's
a USB? I'm sorry. What is a
The old USB
the
is
first one, the big ass.
Yeah, the one which you can't do the other way.
Yeah.
Oh, one way.
Yeah.
He plugs that in the alien mothership.
Oh,
And
really?
it puts a virus. He uploads a virus,
Yeah.
and the mothership crashes.
And-
But these American guys also know from when, bro, alien is coming. Only there.
Only there.
Huh?
Only I mean,
Here
but
doesn't come.
over India, it'll just fly like this.
But yeah,
It'll
now
go.
they show that, right? Over India will fly and some from Rajasthan, some 3 people
Not
are
just Rajasthan.
like this.
3 people who from 3 different parts of India, they'll
Yeah.
show in one play.
Let's talk about you, Danish.
Yeah, let's do it.
What about me? Tell me.
Danish, we want to know about your improv journey.
Yes.
Like, if
No,
you,
if you really don't want to know, what is
I
this?
mean,
Some
we
TED
really
talk
do.
or what?
Like,
Little bit,
little bit. Let's get
No,
into that.
nothing. I was just too lazy to write something and memorize it. And that is why I went to ICSE. I didn't do state syllabus.
Yeah.
I can't write one thing and keep doing that thing. I find it exceptional how stand-up comedians do it. I don't have the ability. Because, there's a difference in telling a story like this and then writing something to tell the story.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because I can never capture this
Yeah.
on paper.
Yeah.
I've asked you this.
Yeah.
I called you the day I wanted to, one of those days when I woke up and I said, okay, let me also do stand up.
Yeah.
I called you.
Yeah.
And I said, listen, what book do I buy?
Yeah. And I didn't recommend anything to you. I told you a storytelling book. That's
You
the
told
other
me?
one. Yeah.
You said,
Moth
wait for
Radio.
my book. You're writing one.
Yeah.
the book on comedy.
Yeah, because, for me, improv happened because, I think I was just lazy. And because I was always funny in that moment.
In the moment.
So I thought I'll just do that. And
Yeah.
then I went to watch these guys do improv, Saad and gang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I thought it was the
Yeah.
best thing I ever
Yeah.
saw.
Yeah.
So I said, I want to do this.
Yeah.
And I started working with them.
Yeah.
And you know, when it really sat in my head was when I went to UCB in New York to study improv.
Oh, you
Yeah.
studied in UCB Berkeley?
No, Upright Citizens Brigade.
Yeah, Upright Citizens Brigade.
So there were a couple of them. There was Second City in Chicago.
Yes.
There was Upright Citizens Brigade.
Yeah.
So I went there
Oh,
and I
wow.
did 3 levels. Yeah,
Huh.
3 or 4 levels I
Huh.
did. When I did that, but they were teaching the Harold structure. And what America does is they take comedy
Huh.
and they'll make it so fucking technical
Yeah.
that you
It's a science.
keep it.
They
It's like
make
a
it a
science. It's
science,
not. It's not random
Yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Then what I did was I went back and I looked at all my work.
Yeah.
Be it the prank calls.
Yeah.
You know, be it Mr. Nash,
Mr.
be it all
Nash,
of it. And I
yeah.
realized I was kind of taking the story forward
Yeah.
and saying yes and.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you were doing it anyway without organically. You had got to that place.
So, but with the education, it just helped me get a little better.
Yeah.
Sure.
Like structured. Like you know what you're doing rather than doing it randomly.
But can that get in the way ever when you overly analyze? Because especially with improv being such an in the moment thing, can you sometimes can someone be like, oh, I've got to nail the structure that I've learned, and in that process get lost?
No, yeah, it depends on how much you take because
Yeah.
I'll tell you who told me this. I think Kenny told me this or someone said, yeah, America, they'll take this down and they'll make it boring.
Yeah.
Said
That's
the
true.
instinct dies. Then
That's
it becomes
true, instinct.
science.
Yeah.
But when I went there, I had to kind of reaffirm whatever I knew. So for me, it helped that. And sometimes you do things you don't know why you're doing it.
Correct.
Yeah.
This helped me understand why I was doing it.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then you just realize also, yeah, generally in life, if you
Yeah.
look at life,
Yeah.
which one of us knows what is going to come hit us? None of us
No,
know, right?
that's
Yeah.
true.
And
That
whatever
is
comes in
improv.
any which case, we say yes
Yeah.
and we take,
Yeah.
we've been walking forward.
Yeah.
So I kind of felt like, yeah, okay. I mean, it's a very simple philosophy
Yeah.
for life,
Yeah.
and it translates into the art form. So,
Yeah.
But
keep
what I
that
do
going.
love about improv, because I saw this improv show in Edinburgh this year, is that you can see it twice and you see where they go
Yeah.
with it
And
the
it's
next
new.
time.
Yeah.
Absolutely new.
And the improv kill is ridiculous.
Yeah, in the moment, it's like a mad kind of
Yeah,
laughter
it's
that it
just like
generates.
direct.
high
It goes
is
to
something else.
10.
Yeah.
It goes to 10. It doesn't
Yeah.
like build nothing. It's just
The
like
high is mad.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's
The high
something
is
very
mad.
primal, that laughter that improv generates,
Yeah.
which is like we don't get to experience
True.
that in life. And
True.
That,
Crowd work gets a shade of it.
Yeah.
But like improv is like another level because it's a scene that's built.
Have you done
everything.
these long form improv?
No, I've
ever,
done
Danish?
short form bursts,
Yeah.
right? Like scene,
Bam, bam, bam.
game.
Yeah.
I haven't really done long
Yeah.
form, but what I did understand in that was for that to work. That
Yeah.
is the primary difference between improv and stand up.
Okay.
In stand up, you have to make the product shine.
Correct.
In improv, only the scene can shine.
Yeah.
You can't shine
have
because
to be
if you
selfless
have
like
a
that.
part, you have to be
Yeah.
selfless.
Yeah.
Because the moment you walk into a room and
That's
you
true.
say, "Hey man," you say
Yeah.
the object is I don't know, man, like a hat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, and I walk in and I say, "Right then, cowboy, it's
Yeah.
nice to see you without your head."
Hmm.
Whatever,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Now I have to.
No,
go
you
with
have
it.
to be
Yeah,
cowboy.
Yeah.
You can be like, yeah.
I haven't seen you around
Yeah.
here in many years or whatever.
Yeah, whatever,
You
right?
gotta accept what has been given and add
But
to it.
sometimes I go with an idea and you throw something at
Yeah.
me. I can't like change your idea
Correct.
now.
Yeah. You
Now
have
I
to
have
ditch
to
yours.
accept
You have
it.
to ditch your
Correct.
idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one thing which, because I went for a couple of improv classes,
Yeah.
and that time, like as a stand-up comic, you want every line to be funny, right?
That's the
it
thing.
doesn't need to be. You need
Yeah.
to build the scene
Yeah,
more
yeah.
than being funny.
When I in New York, there was this lady who was teaching us. Very, incredible instructor. So I was in that mode where I will make everyone laugh.
Yeah.
Okay, and all of us are like that.
Yeah.
The moment you get this profession is like that,
Yeah.
right? You get one laugh and
It's
you
a
go for the
high.
next one.
Yeah.
It's a high.
You get one laugh,
Yeah.
you go for the next
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
right? And just keeps going
Yeah.
on. So when I tried to do a joke,
Yeah.
she stopped me
Yeah.
and said, "Do not say a joke.
Yeah.
Just play the scene.
Yeah.
Reply to your partner. You will find a joke along the way."
That's
Oh.
awesome. Yeah. I think I'd done this one improv class where
Yeah.
it was like I don't know the name for it, but one person starts a scene and another person joins and just adds one thing to it.
Yeah.
And every stand-up comedian who was doing it was coming in to end the scene. You know, we
Yes.
are coming like if one guy's driving, the stand-up comedian joins the scene. He tries to crash the car and end the scene.
Yeah.
Whereas the point was of the exercise, don't try to end things.
Yes.
Just keep it going.
How long can you build it?
Yeah,
How
like
can-
this
Yeah.
Kenny was I don't know
Yeah.
how many people know this. I don't
Yeah.
know how many people have seen Kenny do improv, but
Yeah.
man, he's arguably I would say him, Sumukhi
Yeah.
Yeah.
are probably Adar
Adar Malik, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Other,
are probably the best improv
Oh.
comedians I have worked with on stage.
That's
Yeah.
And of course, one more name that a lot of the maybe
Hmm.
people who follow like contemporary comedy wouldn't know, but Darai Soonawala from,
Oh, yeah.
from
yeah,
Bangalore
yeah, of course.
was a radio jock.
Yeah.
Who was a very legendary radio jock,
Yeah.
but incredible,
Yeah.
incredible.
That's awesome. Yeah. Adar had he was our mentor in
Okay.
the Comicstan improv round. So I've done a lot of improv under him. That was during the pandemic also.
So talented.
Yeah.
So we had to do it for a week, and the pandemic kept going.
Yeah.
So we just kept doing improv for
Okay.
a month. We were doing improv, and it was insane because it was fun. Then we were realizing we are bad, and it was feeling sad,
Yeah.
depressing. Then we found something again, and it was a real journey.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
figure something out.
So,
Man, improv is
I
nice.
enjoy doing improv, but I haven't done anything on stage for a very long time now because I also feel like, we're at a point right now where you're accountable not just for what you say, but for what somebody else says while you're on stage.
Yes.
And I feel like when you work with people doing improv, you have to have an insane amount of trust and faith.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I feel like somewhere along the way, the team that I was working with,
Yeah.
we kind of fell.
Yeah.
Sure.
We fell apart on that, and
Yeah.
then I said, you know what? It's best for me to not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the flip side of a collaborative thing, right? That's what happens. Like, I used to be in bands, and that's why I stopped. We would fight about every little thing.
Did you play the guitar?
I played guitar, and so we would fight about what kind of music we want to play. Why should we play this song? What are we trying to say? I'm not trying to say anything. So all of that shit.
You want to sing and go back home.
Yeah, that's why I chose
But
stand up.
what did you play? What kind of songs?
We started playing classic rock, bro. Classic Bangalore story.
Very nice.
Deep Purple, Led
Very
Zeppelin
good.
stuff. And then one of my friends, he got into metal. So he was the talented musician. So
Death of a band. What to do now?
Yeah,
You
yeah,
want to listen to like,
yeah,
oh,
yeah, exactly. Like you really have to be into it if you
Yeah.
want to do it.
Yeah, and it's a small, like you're.
Going into a niche
cult,
from the
yeah.
mainstream. But he was the most talented musician. So now do
Yeah.
we follow the talented musician or do we an average mainstream band? That was the
But
choice.
that's the thing, right? What would you do to retain talent? Because I feel like in groups, that's
Yeah.
the biggest problem.
Yeah.
Retaining talent is the biggest. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
does it start with the person who brings the group together? Or does it start
It's
With like
with
sticking
the
to the
most
initial
talented
philosophy.
guy?
Ah.
It's very tricky. Man.
It's very hard to understand that.
Yeah.
Like I think the Beatles are always cited as a great example because you know what happens with bands is the egos get in the way and people are like I created this, I'm the leader. But in the Beatles, it was like if I wrote the song, I get the credit. If
Yeah.
Paul wrote the song, he gets the credit. John wrote the song, he gets the
He
credit.
gets the credit.
They've figured out a synergy between them,
Yeah.
and they helped each other also, even when they're not the main person.
That seems a
Yeah.
lot like improv to me. Like.
Yeah, exactly, very
Yeah.
much,
That's
dude, very
right.
much.
And I feel like sometimes you just have to understand who's playing what role. Like, see, I'll give you an example, right? I work with Kritarth.
Yeah.
Kritarth writes with me, and I'll be honest, like, there's no hiding this or anything like that. There's only that much one can do.
Yeah.
Eventually, you need more hands to
Yeah.
come and help you build what you're doing
Yeah.
and make it
Absolutely.
bigger.
Yeah.
Like, Gautam also was a
Yeah.
part of that, and we wrote some incredibly
Yeah.
funny stuff.
Yeah.
At that time as well, I think one of the first things I told Gautam when he came was, listen, man, I don't operate from a space of, oh, I'm so good, you can't say no to me. I said, if it's a shit idea, you got to tell me it's a shit idea.
Yeah.
And I think so many times Kritarth and him told me
Yeah.
it was a shit idea, and I
Yeah.
dropped it immediately.
Yeah.
You need those people. Otherwise, if it's just yes men, then it becomes
Horrible.
Yeah.
So it's no point.
It's just
Because
a
it's
wrestling
collaborative,
failure.
right?
Yeah.
See, that is what I feel even brands
Yeah.
don't understand fully. Now I feel like the culture is shifting a little bit, but I've seen this happen very often where a big brand will come and meet a content creator in whatever form, be it a comedian, be it a dancer, be it, there are many talented
Yes.
things that people do, right? I feel like when you collaborate with an artist, the point is the artist is bringing his skill set
Yes.
to work with your brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you use it well.
You're
right?
not
Yeah.
going to him to tell him do this. If you know that's
Yeah.
going to work, then do it yourself.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Correct.
Right? Then it's not a collaboration.
Then you're
It's-
getting someone to star in your idea rather than get an idea
Correct.
for it.
And
For it,
There's
yeah.
a reason you're getting a person to join you because that person has his own or her own perspective and you want to use that in a good
Yeah.
way, right?
Yeah.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
But sorry, just because you brought up improv, I was just listening to some of your old pranks, which is pre-improv, I'm guessing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. RJ
Yeah.
times.
But there was a couple of things.
Yeah.
The one
I was
which-
never an RJ, you know. They never gave
they
me
just
my
say
own show.
RJ, right?
They never gave me my
Oh.
own show.
Is that the bones? Like you get the bones, you get called RJ if you have an old show only? Or
Only an own show. Random. Every guy in the radio station is not a radio jockey.
Yeah.
I was a station producer. So, like for example, I would write things like 3 hit songs in a row. Fever 104 FM salutes Amitabh Bachchan. 3 hit songs in a row.
Wow, what a treat for us. 3 hit songs in a row.
These are the first initial great writings that I did. You know, celebrating the Badshah of romance, Shah Rukh Khan, 3 hit songs in a row. You know,
But I remember...
stuck in a jam. Here's some ads. Right at the back of that, we'll have music. Then there's one separate guy, client solutions guy.
Yeah.
Client solution guy is the guy who'll write
the ad copy.
He'll write that you know, like, oh, daddy, I want a car. You want a car? Let's go to Advait Hyundai. Advait Hyundai. That is a separate team.
I love this Advait Hyundai, which is how it would sound when you're driving on the road.
So that is a client solutions
Yeah.
team. So I was never a radio jockey.
So there are many roles, and people who are not aware, they put one catch-all
yeah.
term.
If they
They're
hear you on the radio,
Yeah.
you're a radio jockey.
Yeah, also they say, you know,
Yeah.
this is the other thing. Radio jockey means you must talk a lot.
Yeah.
I said, have you ever heard a radio
Yeah.
station? Radio jockey, poor guy gets 1 minute to talk. In that 1 minute, 30 seconds he has to sell some product to you. Some real estate ad. 10
Exactly.
seconds that poor guy is introducing the station and himself. Hey guys, my name is Dash. You're
Yeah.
listening to this da 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 da.
Yeah.
By the way, you know, this news came. Anyways, have you heard how many radio jockeys say
100%.
anyways?
Anyways.
Because there's no way to end it. So you just say anyways.
And-
You know, if you're looking for a house right now,
You have to
a
talk
great
till
3
the
BHK
drop.
apartment, they write it and give it to you, man.
Yo.
In on paper, you have to read that. You
And
know,
it
if
is
you're looking for
finished up.
luxurious amenities in the heart of Sarjapur, then
And the last few seconds of what you're saying, the music is slowly coming up
Yeah.
also.
come here,
Like it's
check this out. You know, it's
like
the drop.
escaping.
You have to talk till till the drop. They're like the drop is coming. You talk, bam.
you know the best, and I'm saying this to you, the greatest I've seen do this in this city.
Yeah.
The best use of a minute and a half, and I don't think they can there's like, I mean, I know that like for example RJ Prithvi has been doing this
Yeah.
forever, and I've
Yeah,
asked
yeah,
Prithvi, bro, do you want to leave? He's like, no bro, I'm
Yeah.
very happy.
Yeah.
Like, great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The person who could use a minute and a half really well is Shraddha.
Yeah.
There is nobody who could construct a link better than her. And I was
Okay.
constantly gobsmacked looking at how she would start something, add something, and sell an apartment, and then roll into a song.
How much time do you get for people who don't know to come up with those links?
See, it's an office job, bro.
Yeah. yeah.
Sit and write.
You have to go to the radio
and
station
write.
for
Yeah.
6-7 hours.
Yeah.
Whatever, 8 hours. You have to go. You have to prepare for your show means what? You have to write 4 links, 4 links, 4 links.
Okay.
Music manager already tells you you're not some great DJ who's picking up,
Yeah,
you know, vinyls and like, you know, like,
Yeah, spinning on his chair.
nothing is happening there. Music is already lined up. It's
Yeah.
on, what is it called? I forgot the machine's name. RCP, RSP, RPS, something like that. Okay, it's one machine that already has all the songs
Okay.
inside and everything's scheduled.
Programmed, already programmed.
So you just have to go record your link and insert it in between that.
Got it.
So
Just time
technically,
it
that 8
beautifully.
hours is for you to write this only. But that
Okay.
what happens? People will come, they'll talk to sales guy,
Yeah.
they'll eat from HR fellow's dabba. Then they'll ask the admin guy how his child is doing. This,
Yeah.
then 4 hours are gone.
Yeah. And then last minute he just like
Nah,
scribbling.
he's not writing.
Yeah.
Then he'll go inside and he'll say whatever comes to his mouth.
That's why in the link you'll hear, and my HR's kid is also doing well. Anyway, here's the song.
Next 3 hits.
And then there's a game that they have to play. One is some game.
Yes,
Like,
call in.
I'm going to play a clip right now. You need to identify who is the actor? And if you get the answer right, send me a text message on 16342. I repeat, why is he saying it twice, thrice? Because nobody's messaging. So he said, please, I beg you, send me one message. That's how radio, I'm telling you. And
Dude,
then,
it's so nice. It's like so chaotic.
It is
Yeah.
chaotic. That's
and
what I
most
feel.
of the time, see the midnight show, you know that show in the night?
Yeah, love advice.
It's soft.
Yeah, little bit.
It's the worst time because
Little erotica only it
Yeah,
is.
yeah.
see, because what happens is 6 to 9 is drive time, evening drive.
Yeah.
5 to 9,
Yeah.
right? So that's an important slot.
That's the peak like slot.
5 to 9 and
Yeah.
breakfast are the
Yeah.
two important shows.
Important, yeah.
Everything else in between and
Yeah.
after is
Yeah.
happening. Like really people, I don't know today even if people are listening to the radio or not.
Yeah.
I'm guessing they are because the industry is functioning.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, I guess, yeah. I have a friend
I
who's
guess,
an
right?
RJ.
So the
he's still
night
doing-
show's the worst because there what happens, see, come on, okay. All of us have been in love.
Yeah.
When have you firstly, imagine the timing, okay. You have to
Yeah,
send an
yeah.
SMS, 1642, and they say, send an SMS.
Why through the tears you have to send.
Tears.
Yeah.
Then the radio director will call you back. Then you have to talk to the radio jockey. Okay, and the radio is not calling you live because they don't want to hear your crap.
No
so they'll
dead
edit it, and they'll stitch it and make it sound
Yeah,
tight.
एकदम
cohesive.
tight.
They'll make you sound cohesive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And then they will play the song to the person you dedicate it to.
Yeah.
Then you have to call that person and say, hey, listen, I asked for one song for you to listen to for you.
Yeah.
Just to tune in if you don't mind. That person has to find access to a radio then.
Oh, wow.
Quickly and take on
that's
FM
the other
radio.
thing. I've not put on the radio in years just for your song. Hey, how does this work? Dad, how do you put on the radio? Oh, AM. I've gone to AM by mistake.
These guys get the sales guys to do it.
Yeah, I know. I had
Same
a-
sales guy. He's only going on changing voices and talking. So,
I had
Babu, how are you
a
feeling
RJ,
today?
I had a
Mohan,
RJ
how are you feeling
flatmate.
today?
I had an RJ flatmate. He'll be like, hey, today can you be pranked by me? I'm like, I don't. Today I'm busy, bro. Please. Also, I don't want to be destroyed by you. But sorry, I had this question. I just remembered one prank you had done. You know, there was one stuck in my head.
Which one?
You were that Asghar character, and you had this. So you said mouse is stuck in the silencer of the bike or something. You said you called the garage and said, "Why is there a mouse in my silencer?" And I'm like, "Where does an idea like this come from? Is it improvised? Did you write today? I'll say mouse in silencer because it
No,
was
bro,
hilarious."
I'll tell
dude.
you honestly, okay.
Yeah.
When I was in that 20s, no,
Yeah.
I swear to God, sometimes I look back at what I only did and I'm like, what the f- was I thinking?
Dude, legendary lines are there, bro.
Yeah, yeah,
Even
it's
I also
great.
have a favorite.
Which one?
I was telling you, Love Shack. You call a guy who went to Love Shack and police you call.
Yeah.
And he
Police
misbehaved.
is Nagraj, right? Police is?
Yeah,
Yes,
and
yes,
he
yes.
misbehaves and is like, you drinking the C2H5OH and behaving like a war.
I remember that. You know, honestly, yeah, I'm telling you, none of this was planned, okay? None of this was planned.
Yeah.
I would just go in, lock myself up, and just do utter nonsense, I would say. Utter nonsense. And my biggest frustration would be when these guys would hang up on me.
Oh, damn.
Then I had to call them back and
Because
keep
you
begging
had-
them,
yeah.
please, like, please talk to me, hello. I told you not call me. If you see, a lot of my calls are like 10, 15, 12, like 18 minutes.
Yeah, it's
I
long.
would crunch them down to like 1 minute and 15 seconds then.
Man, that same one also, like, what were you drinking? He was like, sir, I was drinking only beer, sir. Oh, barley rasa.
I don't know if I can do all that now. You know?
Yeah, but dude, that's
I don't know if I can do it. I feel like there's something about being in your 20s and being able
Yeah,
to do stuff
yeah.
unhinged. Well, what do you
100%.
want to lose?
That's when you gotta
True.
go for it.
Yeah.
Bro. You,
no, because
fair
now
enough.
all the stuff is getting viral again. All your prank calls
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
with
Yeah.
that whatever that game is where you drive a car.
Car.
right?
Yes, yes, yes.
That is the video overlay and the song.
That's crazy, you know, how things come back and they just put one video for the Gen Z people to watch.
I'm so glad. You know, a lot of them now, like the guys who listen to me, are now working.
Yeah.
Right? Like the guys who are in school
Yeah.
are now working.
Yeah.
So that's great.
Yeah.
Or, you know, they were like, I met someone the other day who said they would listen to me on their way to Ryan International School, wherever it is,
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
Whitefield or whatever. And now they're working.
Yeah.
So I said, amazing. I mean,
Dude,
that's
wonderful, man.
very
It's
good.
a
It's a
great
good feeling,
feeling.
right?
Yeah.
And then to know now that the younger guys
Yeah. Are listening to it.
are listening to it
consuming again,
now, I feel like that is very gratifying as And that is, I think that's the reason why I started to believe and call myself an artist.
Yeah.
Because I was like, I did something
Yeah.
that has managed to keep the sort of, like stay with time.
Yeah,
It is not
it's-
faded. It is not
it's not
faded.
faded.
It's
Yeah,
transcended
yeah.
generations, and they're like sort of still getting it.
Yeah.
Because
that's the
even
point.
Mr. Nags,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right? I feel like it's very contextual to 2 months of IPL.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you're not an RCB fan,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you probably don't know what
Yeah.
it is. And I've never questioned it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, there are RCB fans who don't know what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, very few. Very few.
No.
Yeah.
There's a sizable number, right? India, everything's in numbers.
Yeah.
India, everything is numbers,
Yeah.
right? And that's okay. But when
Yeah.
it comes to my prank calls,
Yeah.
I feel like it's
Transcends
Yeah.
boundaries. a little bit.
Boundaries,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's so true.
because when it started getting viral
Hmm.
was when people would rip it off SoundCloud
Yeah.
and then cut the top and the tail
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Of the
show
Yeah.
Yeah.
with my name, and they would send it on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So people would then send it back to me
Yeah.
saying, "Why don't you do something like this?"
Yes.
And it would be me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? So I mean that
Yeah.
is a very gratifying process, and whoever is uploading it today on Instagram and YouTube or whatever, thank you. I mean, please
Great.
do it. It's
Please
good. I'm
keep
glad.
doing it.
Yeah, and I don't.
It's
At this
so
point, I
funny.
don't care if people know I
So
did it
funny.
or not.
Yeah, yeah. It was just happy that it exists out
It's
there.
good, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, what is it? Why did I do it? I did it because people should laugh.
Yeah.
It is. It's hilarious.
You know, this Mr. Nag's character,
Yeah.
which Nagraj, if we can start
Yeah,
from
yeah,
him.
Yeah.
I had a professor in college. I studied in RV College of Engineering. I won't say the professor's name, but say he spoke in the exact same way. All right. So I used to always wonder when I heard your character. Are all your characters based on one person that you've seen, or is it just a combination of people?
No,
or
culmination of
Yeah,
many
yeah,
things.
many things.
Because my mom used to run, these convenience stores, which I can, I say supermarket. It sounds like
Yeah.
Supermarket, yeah.
It wasn't a supermarket really.
Yeah.
It was a shop.
Yeah. Top in town type.
Top in town.
Yeah.
It was a shop.
Yes.
And we would finish school and come back to the shop because my mom was working hard, man. She was a single parent, and it was very bare minimum
Yeah.
what you make from a store like that. And we had to do our homework sitting there and this and
Yeah.
that sitting there. The number of people I would interact with, that is what kind of just put me down to where society is to kind of really claw into society.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah.
And I was in fact telling a friend recently. I was telling Kritarth.
Yeah.
Then Kritarth, when we started shooting for that show that I told you.
Yeah.
The show.
Yeah.
I'll show it to you at the end of the show.
Yeah.
I was
Shantala.
It's changed fully.
Oh, okay. Good.
Fully changed.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll show it to you.
Yeah.
So the reason I did that show, the reason I want, in a nutshell, I was feeling like I wasn't going out enough.
Yeah.
And when I say going out enough, I don't mean to like a party and all that stuff. That I don't like going in any which case. I'm talking about like on the street,
Yeah.
Into the world.
into
yeah.
where people are,
Yeah.
not where my kind of people
Yeah.
are.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right?
Correct.
These are people.
Yeah. It's very
Yes.
easy to be in that bubble. Like
Yeah,
once.
yeah,
Like,
out of the
yeah.
bubble. Yeah.
I want
yeah.
to get out of my bubble
Yeah.
because I have been there for a while.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
once you get comfortable doing
Yeah.
this, then you're like, okay, fine, I'll sit in my house,
Yeah.
I'll joke about the same 25 things that my perspective
Yeah.
and my world knows.
Yes.
And I feel like I've kind of run out of that now.
Yeah.
Finished.
Yeah.
Whatever I learned from like say 15 to about 25,
Yeah.
I used all of it.
Yeah.
25 to 35, I used all of
Yeah.
it. Right?
Yeah.
And you guys get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Like, it's sort of
absolutely.
like
Yeah,
life
yeah.
starts to get a little like, it's the same.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you got to reinvent yourself in
You
some
got to,
ways.
right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
I feel like for me, like now that my son is there, I see I'm rediscovering a lot of things in life again. I'm going back to what I like so many times. Sorry, I'm just digressing.
Yeah.
But
No,
so
absolutely.
many times I've just cried looking at him because I'm like, I don't know where my childhood went. I don't remember any of it.
So you kind of reliving it. in
Like a
way.
lot of rhymes and this and
Yeah.
that, right? I'm now reading them and I'm like, fuck, I don't remember any of this because I was
Yeah.
so busy trying to do something.
Yeah.
What happened was I kind of realized I was in a bubble and I wanted to get out of the people and meet them on the street. So the idea was essentially to spot a small business
Yeah.
and help this small business
Yeah.
through comedy, get the word out there. These are real people, real businesses.
Yeah.
And the idea was to say, go support them.
Nice.
That was the fundamental idea because I genuinely felt like I should do it for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because today these guys they're out of muscles, man.
Yeah.
They don't have the money, they don't have the bandwidth, they
Yeah.
don't have anything to turn around and say, come shop with
Yeah.
us.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
They're being run out of the
They're
market. with
really being
these.
run out of the market. So I was like, fuck it, let me do something interesting. So that's the reason why I started doing this show.
That's
Yeah.
awesome.
So when we did that show as well, right? I was saying that we need to get out.
Yeah.
We need to get out.
Yeah.
Only then will we be able to actually do something really
That's
fun.
true.
Correct.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the characters themselves, like you're saying, they were like you never see a person. You're like I just thought of a new character, and
That
I can
happens
use.
now.
Yeah.
That happens now. Sometimes I'll just, sometimes I'll see one very, like, not going to say weird looking,
Yeah.
Yeah. Someone who stands
different
out.
looking
Yeah.
person.
Yeah.
Okay, different looking.
Interesting.
Yeah.
To me.
Yeah. Yeah.
To me. Because, like, people,
Yeah.
I say most of us look okay.
Yeah.
Someone
yeah.
catches your attention.
Yeah, someone stands out.
Yeah, someone
Ah.
stands out in some way.
I saw one guy, there's no hair here,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
Long hair at the back
Yeah.
of it, okay?
Yeah.
And he's wearing that sports, that Oakley glasses.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the first slip
With
glasses.
some
Yeah.
fluorescent green shades over here. One shirt.
Yeah.
I know, distressed jeans.
Yeah.
And chappal.
There's a story there. Yeah.
I liked him.
Yeah. Yeah.
I said, sir, can I take photo?
Yeah.
He said, me? I said, yes, sir, you're very interesting. I mean,
Yeah.
really, trust me, in today's world, you're very interesting.
yeah.
Please, can I take?
Yeah.
Somewhere I'll use that guy now.
Yeah.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
lovely.
Somewhere I'll use that guy.
You have that memory now, and you look at that, and it'll strike something. one day.
You start to imagine, right? Like how I'm sure you guys do this as well.
Yeah.
And people who are not like us don't understand it.
Yeah.
How many times have you seen yourself sitting at a coffee shop with someone, looking at another person, and making up a whole conversation about
Yes,
that
all
person?
the time. Yeah.
Big time,
Yeah.
big
I don't go to coffee shops because of that only. I don't get any work done over there.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah,
like
I'm
sitting
And there are
there.
people watching.
Yeah.
I need a cubicle in the coffee shop so I don't see others. You know.
You know what?
Yeah.
Do you guys go through that?
Yeah.
100%.
yeah.
I'm always observing. I'm overhearing.
Scanning, yeah.
Always.
I'm hearing some little puss over there, and
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, what's going on over here?
Always.
Like I heard this call just since we are bringing it up on the airport. I was in the lounge, and this couple is eating, and the woman's talking on the phone, and she just talks for 2 seconds, then she hangs up. She tells the man it was something Shiva, and then they laugh for 1 minute. Now I couldn't get over what could have Shiva done in his life.
Oh, what a
I just
pain in-
mentioned his name, they were crying, laughing. You know,
Yeah.
so I'm picturing scenarios.
Oh, they must have expected that he's going to call, he's
Yeah.
going to call, he's going to call, he's going to call. He'll only call, he'll only call, and he's called now.
It's incredible, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Really distracted. Cool.
Yeah. I
Yeah.
like it. I like people watching. I really love it. Which is why Paris, New York, these are like some of my favorite cities.
Everyone on earth, you see all kinds of
Yeah.
people.
All kinds of like, bro, that
So many
New York,
characters you
that
see.
New York especially, man.
Yeah.
What? Bro, those guys, so many times there, you see those people, they'll have tattoo in their eyeball.
Everyone's story is there's a
Look
story
at that
written
guy.
here.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, this guy. Because also see, because I'm constantly thinking, see, I wanted to put tattoo in my eyeball.
Yeah.
I'd have been I pierced my ear, my mother pulled it out.
Yeah.
The full blood, I was sitting on that when I was young. She said, how
Absolutely,
dare you do this and all that. So,
Yeah.
All the time.
this guy put tattoo in eyeball.
Yeah.
Now I'm thinking,
Yeah.
what did his mother tell him?
Dude, all the time. Dude.
Culturally, how are they okay with
Correct.
it?
Just small tattoo. Even now, I have this in my head, but that's for life, no? That's
Yeah.
once you put it, it's gonna be there. I go into the spiral. In
Yeah.
my head.
These guys are, some of them, the way they live their lives and all, I'm
Yeah.
constantly fascinated by people.
Dude, is in the US when I was there, I'd seen one guy like this. The moment you see, you're like, there's a story here.
Yeah.
He didn't have he didn't have an eye,
Ooh.
and he didn't wear an eye patch. He was
Okay,
open.
it's empty.
He was just there.
Socket?
Socket. Okay, he's standing.
Oh.
Very dangerous looking. All right.
Like this guy.
Yeah, this guy. And all his tattoos, even though I don't know what it means, to me it meant don't mess with this guy.
Yeah.
alright?
Of
He
course.
has-
Yeah.
He doesn't have a socket,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
He really doesn't have
Open,
that.
open.
What is there to lose?
Yeah,
You think he has fear? He doesn't have an eye.
Torch here, the light will come out like that.
Yeah.
And he was standing, and the kid was looking at this guy in the bus the whole time. And we obviously adults know don't mess with this
Yeah.
guy. Kid doesn't know. Kid is like, Mister, what happened to your eye? And this guy, he had it ready. He said, when I was your age, Someone asked me what happened to your. No, I asked somebody what happened to your eye, and then the mother picked up the camera from the lap, and we all turned away. And we were like, all right.
Sorry,
dude.
uncle.
Sorry.
That kid learned a lesson.
Yeah.
Never forget. Dude.
These guys, sometimes even when I'm walking down in America and all that stuff, sometimes when I'm walking, see, I don't stare at people because I don't want anything from them. Yeah. I'm very interested.
Yeah.
I wish the
Curious.
world understood people
Yeah.
like us.
Yeah.
Curiosity.
Okay,
yeah,
I have
yeah.
no mal intention.
Yeah.
I'm not corrupt. I'm just
Yeah.
looking at you because I'm fascinated by you.
Yeah.
Right? And suddenly they'll just look and be like, yeah, what you looking at?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you looking at something? You looking at me?
Yeah.
I'm like, no, it's okay, it's okay. No,
You
it's okay,
can't
it's okay.
maintain eye contact. That's so true, dude.
You know?
You have to just look peripheral vision. You have to pick up everything in the US.
That's hard,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
sometimes staring is nice.
But there are some people who like that, like No Country for Old Men, that
Javier Bardem.
end of your world people. Even in India also, you see them and they look at you and you're like, this guy will cause trouble.
Yeah,
Let
this
me
guy
just...
has seen shit
Yeah.
and he's going to do shit.
Yeah.
If I mess with him, he will show me what
Sorry,
he has done.
sorry for looking.
100%.
Yeah.
Sorry.
There is that look. When you have nothing to lose,
Yeah.
that's what I expected.
Yeah, I mean, like, ooh.
Yeah.
I've also met so many people who look like this.
Mm. But
And sometimes you talk to them, they'll be the sweetest
Yeah.
people.
all the time, bro. In stand up, we'll judge the crowd from behind. You might do that improv also. I'm like, oh, this family looks very stoic.
Yeah.
And they won't
But
laugh.
they laugh
They'll
a
be
lot.
the best family.
Yeah.
It always works out that way.
They're deceptive. Looks
Yeah.
are very
Deceptive.
deceptive.
Look back, right? Like the number of moments that have come in from just your player interviews. Right?
Many.
Many. Like
Many.
it's just like the ease at which you get them in, right?
The
is
high,
something-
all the high moments have come, fortunately for me, there.
And that the famous Virat Kohli meme of him dancing like
Yeah,
dancing with him.
Yeah, exactly. That
And
keeps
I
coming
did not
around.
want to do something that day.
Yeah.
So we were on a yacht in Dubai when
Yeah.
2020, when COVID happened.
Yeah, at the bubble.
Was it 2020 that
21?
IPL happened in Dubai?
21,
21, yeah.
Probably 21.
Yeah,
Maybe
one
actually, I
of
don't
the
know. Yeah,
years.
it's all a
We
blur
were on
now.
the yacht and I did not want to shoot because I was like, it was Virat's birthday.
Yeah.
Also, the other significant thing that happened for the team was we had made it to the playoffs.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right?
yeah, so
And
things
you
are
know-
serious right now in the tournament.
Yeah, and you kind of feel like, okay, fine, I got it. Like, see, it's hard, yeah. See, at the end of the day, right, I'm doing a job.
Yeah.
They finish their job and they're relaxing.
Yeah, that's your job.
Now,
Yeah.
what do I do? Now, how much can you really interfere with somebody who's relaxed?
Yes.
Because as a human being, you realize
Yeah.
that these guys have done enough and more in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're tired.
They're tired.
Yeah.
They've come to this point.
Yeah.
Let
Yeah.
them enjoy. It's their
Yeah.
moment because
Correct.
I am not the cricketer. They
Yeah.
are.
Yeah.
Right? It is their moment
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
they played for an entire
Yeah.
season.
Correct.
And they'll work probably, they want to win the finals.
Correct.
So I didn't want to do something, but again, I don't know. It's just something about it. Then these guys pushed me and they said, "No, do it. It's going to be fine."
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it ended up being one of the
Yeah.
Best things.
best things I've ever done. Yeah. And there was no script. There was
Yeah.
nothing.
Oh,
It was just
beautiful.
improv. In my head, I kept making a story
Yeah.
about how Mr. Nags has bought this yacht and it's his yacht. And
Of course, if
you got
it's
to
a
be
yacht-
crazy to think that way, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
what do you do? Like
Yeah.
Mr. Nags, like I built this character on the go. It
Yeah,
was not like
yeah.
writing
Yeah.
and all of that stuff.
You're discovering who he is also as you're doing it also.
Yeah.
Like adding
Yeah,
elements to his personality.
Just figure it out and say, okay, how wrong can it go?
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
one, I have faith in the fact that I will be able to at least if you let me shoot for 25 minutes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm sure when you guys have this
Yeah.
confidence,
Yeah, you'll get
there'll be
that.
at least 5 moments that you'll get.
Yeah.
Correct.
Correct.
5 more. Instagram, one reel
Yeah.
will come out.
Yeah.
Bam, 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 you will get something.
Yeah.
100%.
That much I have my ability.
Yeah.
Then the biggest faith I have in is the editor.
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I know what you mean about the edit table thing though. Like if there's someone who has that, like, they understand the language.
Yeah.
Of,
Oh, it's very hard, man.
Yeah, it's so good
Very
to find
hard.
those people because they can
Keep
just
them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have
Just
to
keep
hold on to
them.
them.
That
right?
is talent that
Yeah.
you can get. Like you can't pay for that kind
Yeah.
of talent.
That's-
It
yeah.
just has to be.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Someone
You
who
know?
understands the language that you're speaking
Absolutely.
and just know that, okay, we got it.
Yeah, we got it.
Even that we got it at the shoot time,
to
right?
be able
is
to
so-
let go and be like, this person they know what
Yes.
I want and
Yes.
they will nail it.
Thing.
Do you always approach these as this is on me? Like the comedy has to come from me. They have to, if they don't give me something, I have to make it work. Or do you always
Yeah.
believe that I'll get something
Yeah.
out of them.
No, 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 no,
No,
no. My
right?
reliance on the guest is
No.
always
Yeah.
very little
Yeah, yeah,
because
yeah.
Some
I've
people you
learned
like
it.
working with. Siraj you like working with.
I love it.
Siraj
Yeah,
is
yeah.
too
No,
good.
even honestly telling you, Siraj,
Yeah.
top, and I'm not saying this because I have to,
No.
you know,
Yeah.
I need anything or
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
But honestly, yeah, I'm telling you, Virat Kohli is
Yeah.
insane at improv also, bro.
Yeah?
He's very
Ah,
comfortable.
man. He's you look at the interviews over the years.
Yeah.
You know the reason it's best is because he co-opts the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know,
He
he's
goes
always like a
along with
scene
it.
partner.
Yeah.
He
Correct.
plays along. And his
Yeah.
answers are so clever. His
Yeah.
answers are so witty and sharp.
Yeah.
So I love interviewing him. Siraj was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Great fun. AB de Villiers was great fun because
Okay.
AB also would improv and take it.
Yeah.
You'd have this deadpan sort of reply to your
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
questions.
So I feel like that way whoever RCB, I think a lot of the interviews
Yeah.
and they over the time, I'm guessing they get to understand what the character is also and what
Yeah.
he's going for.
they
So-
get it. They
Yeah,
get it.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
this year, Phil Salt's interview was so
Yeah,
funny.
Yeah, I remember
Phil Salt was so funny, and he's never met Mr. Nags, so he didn't
Yeah.
know. But you know, when we told him, he
Yeah.
caught on to it
Yeah.
very
Yeah,
quickly.
yeah, Brits are good in general.
Also, because bro, whatever we are doing, it's actually they are the ones who
Did like a long time
they
back.
did like 300 years
yeah.
ago. Now we're doing
So
it.
they
Yeah.
know, they know. Yeah,
They
they,
know,
get that.
they know, they know.
That's
Yeah.
so true.
Yeah. Who's on your T-shirt, by the way?
This is Mammootty.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Now this guy's.
Yeah,
You have one
Oh
Mohanlal.
God, bro, I'm tripping on that show. Yeah.
Which one? Oh, the Akkare Karchal. Akkare Karchagal.
Oh,
I'm
Yeah.
not watch. What is? What
It-
Yeah.
Hey, you have seen this is a very popular meme. You have car but no insurance.
Oh.
You you have
I have
home
seen that.
but no
I
insurance.
have seen that.
hello, I am wanting to buy a Mercedes Benz.
Yeah,
Have you
yeah.
seen that?
Yeah. Which class do you want?
Either class. Either class.
Middle class? do you have
Tell
middle
me
class?
this. Tell me this. They do. You know, I love that character, bro.
Dude, is it so? That's why
Tell me,
I've
so
always
Ma-
told him.
Are they still doing it?
No, no, no.
Why not?
Dude,
This is
Malayalam
Mammootty.
comedy. No, it's a series.
Oh,
It's
this is
episodic.
series. Oh, okay.
Where Mallu family goes to New Jersey.
Yeah.
And they're living there. This is in the 90s.
And Mammootty is.
No,
there.
No,
just a
no, no,
random
no.
guy.
Oh, okay.
Random
Oh,
Random.
sitcom.
is he acting now?
no,
Still,
no,
that gentleman?
no.
So when was this series?
90s.
And
It was telecast.
Was it popular then?
Very popular then.
Oh,
Akkare
okay.
Karchagal.
Yeah.
And it's
That's so
like,
cool.
it's think about that concept in 90s.
And did they shoot it on location?
Yeah.
Oh damn, crazy.
And
dude.
just like the young, the Halloween, the kid wants to play Halloween. In the Halloween, Halloween എന്താണ്? In the booth of the like this cultural mishmash.
That's so cool, dude. I'll
Yeah.
watch
Oh,
it.
very good idea.
Very-
Very good
very
idea.
funny.
Very
Very
good
funny.
premise. Because I saw one more where I think his father's in visiting them in America, and the father has gone off to do trick or treat. Trick or treat or trick or treat or trick or treat or he's screaming outside. Okay, and that person's like, "Acha, enda cheyandi." So
Dude,
funny that is.
There's one scene in that which are like if you like you'll get it if you know some Malayalam where like one girl is there, secretary or someone, where like he's like trying to flirt with her, and it's like and this girl is like, you're so funny, Chetai, and this wife of his, he's like, what's his name? Her name is Rinsi. You know Rins, Alaka, washwoman. Dude, it's so funny.
I love that. I love that. I love
Wash
that.
woman.
Washwoman.
Wash woman. I love that. But
Yeah.
that T-shirt is very cool.
Yeah, thank
you,
Very
man,
thank
cool.
you. This
I've
is our
worked with
Instagram.
I've worked with one of the pillars of
Mohanlal.
Yeah,
Mr.
I know.
Mohanlal,
Yeah.
man.
Mohanlal.
You have the other T-shirt. Right?
I have the
Yeah.
other T-shirt
He has
also.
one
Mr.
Mohanlal.
Mohanlal.
I have Mohanlal T-shirt. Also.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
what a guy, man.
What a guy.
Yeah.
What
What
a
a
guy.
man, yeah.
What a man.
So cool.
Dude, he has met Mohanlal.
Yeah, I met him in the airport. He was.
I mean,
just there.
you have done a movie with him. I'm not
Yeah.
trying to out.
I know. Why are you telling the guy who worked with him? Hey,
Yeah.
do you know?
Bro, he's very cool, huh?
Yeah.
Very, very, very
He
nice
seems very
man. Yeah.
chill.
Very nice man.
Yeah.
huh? Very good to talk to. Very chill. Very.
Yeah.
Honestly, but I also feel like, you know what? Yeah. When you're that big, no.
Yeah.
You don't have to walk in and say I'm big.
Yeah.
That's true.
You wear it so cool
Yeah.
because you know people around you in any which case.
Yeah.
All eyes-
They'll only manage decorum
Yeah,
themselves.
yeah, yeah,
I don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, and he's so cool. Like, you
Yeah.
know, we were shooting in Jaisalmer. I've told you the story, no?
No.
I told you the time when we were shooting in Jaisalmer, and you know there was no, and he said one of the days it was just like walking with him. I could have kept quiet also and walked, but you know you make small talk,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, of
and you know
course.
because he's such a big man,
Yeah.
so you don't know.
Yeah.
Do I have to keep quiet?
Yeah.
Do I talk to him? So then I said, so you know, how are you enjoying Jaisalmer, and he said, yeah, it's good, no problem. I said, are you here? He said, no, I'm planning to go home tomorrow for a bit and I'll come back. I said, oh, there's a direct flight from here to Cochin. He said, yeah. I said, really? There's a direct flight from Jaisalmer? Because to Bangalore, I didn't have flights.
Yeah.
I was like,
Jaisalmer,
really? There's
yeah.
a direct flight from Jaisalmer to Cochin? He's like, yeah, I'm flying private. I started laughing. I said, sir, superstar. He just laughed and winked at me and then patted me on my back.
He
And
tried
I
to let
walked
it
out.
go. He tried to let it go. They were like, yeah, there is.
Luckily,
You
you
asked
didn't
again.
say which
He's like, I'm
airlines.
flying private, idiot.
Yeah, you didn't say
Mohanlal
Spice Jet. This is Spice Jet.
And I just started, then he patted me on my back. And I was
Sir,
like, sir,
I'm
very
loyal to
funny.
Indigo actually, so I didn't see Spice Jet flights.
Spice Jet is the only one that goes there, by the way. I hope they have Indigo now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man, this is just ridiculous. But yeah, cool. Let's
Yeah, we
get
go-
into this one.
yeah, we'll just wrap up. We just have this one celebrated segment of this show. 3 people have said it's really
Celebrated is good. That means
Yeah,
3
yeah.
people are celebrating.
That's
Yeah,
right,
dude.
dude. This is their biggest thing
Yeah,
for them.
they
They're
watch the whole episode for
It's
this
for them
one.
only. We do this
Yeah.
last few minutes. To be
So tell me,
honest,
1 second, sorry.
Yeah.
Tell me, how long has it been that you guys started this?
we restarted.
So we started 2 years back.
Yeah,
Okay.
we
And
did for a bit.
then we both are in different cities. He's in Mumbai.
Yeah. So
So-
when we were in Bangalore, we did it for
I
a few
keep-
months.
I keep telling this
he has
guy,
told
yeah.
me on the call also.
I keep telling this guy, come back here. It doesn't matter what city you're in. The
Yeah.
internet has made it all
That's
democratic
true.
and
The first thing he
accessible.
said is which city? Mumbai. I could see that he's like, this guy's still in Mumbai.
I told you that. I told him, I said, come back. I said, come here and do stuff.
Yeah.
Come, we'll all get together and do
Yeah.
some fun stuff together.
You-
I
I
told
told
this
him.
guy.
I
You
also told
bro.
him.
He doesn't listen.
You
Never.
get my. You
What
get
are
my,
you doing in Bombay that is so special? Yeah.
He's a single
You get
child.
my
He-
parents
he
to
doesn't understand
move to Mumbai. I'll move to
collaboration.
Bangalore tomorrow, bro. Just do
No, but
that.
what are you enjoying so much there?
No, it's
No,
like
it is a great city.
See, the scene
And
is good.
great for scene and
Stand-up is
yeah,
very good.
yeah. It is.
Yeah, no, I just
if you
uh,
want to flourish with arts,
Yeah.
it's a great place to
no,
be. 100%.
I moved because the pandemic. I was with my family. It got a bit. I needed
Understood.
to be away from.
Yeah.
Say no more. Understood.
Yeah.
Understood.
And he's a
understood,
Bangalore
right?
boy.
Yeah.
So for him, it is like
Bro,
going
I've
to another
tried
city.
that. I've tried that. Move out of the house, be in the same city.
Doesn't work?
My parents are like, what, why you're staying there? Stay here only then. You know, they have that classic problem. And I'm not married. I can't use any other reason to.
Yeah.
I don't have
No,
nothing.
marriage, if you use that reason, that's wrong. No, that's like throwing your wife under the bus.
That's true. My
That's saying,
hypothetical.
because of her, I'm leaving the
my
house.
hypothetical wife, I'll throw her under the bus. But yeah,
But yeah.
otherwise I'd be here, dude.
But the small talk.
Oh yeah, this segment's called Small Talk. It's very
Game.
simple game, bro. It's called Small Talk Different Year.
Yeah.
We are doing podcast only, but now we are in the year 1857.
Yeah.
Great.
And
We're just talking.
just talking.
We're casual. It's a podcast,
Podcast in
1857.
1857.
Just chilling.
Go.
Man, what do you think? The
Namaste.
British is like... Namaste.
Namaste. Yeah, namaste.
The British is staying for
Yeah.
too long, no? What do you think?
Vanakkam.
Oh, sorry. Where are you from?
You took train
You're
and
from the Madras presidency.
Namaskara.
Namaskara.
Yeah.
ನಾನು ಸೌತ್ ಇಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
As long as that's clear.
But this British is staying for too long, no? What do you think?
I think 1-2 more years they're out of here, bro.
No. I think they should be that railway work is going on. Let them finish and
Let
then
them
leave.
finish, huh?
Yeah, better.
When does it finish? How do we know?
See, people are working.
Yeah.
Yeah. Jobs are there.
My uncle is also participating in that. He's a labor provider.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I contacted him.
Damn. But when, bro? When do you think British are done and they'll be like Tata?
They leave. I think last what I heard, like some gossip was going on in some one panchayat meeting. One gossip was there, simply standing there, and that one guy came on the horse.
Yes. One guy or girl came?
I don't know.
Both have happened. Yeah,
Both
yeah,
have happened.
Yeah.
He came and he said, "See, some revolt and all is starting.
Oh,
you
yeah,
don't look around too much. We stay in your lane." He said, "Okay, whatever," and then he went away. So I guess some people are doing something.
Some little bit of disturbances happened.
I'm
Yeah.
focusing on my career, bro. I don't
Career?
have time for
You have
revolt
one of
and all.
those? Yeah. What's happening?
What are you doing here these days? What are you focusing on?
What are you
I'm,
growing? What are you growing?
Yeah. I'm growing spices.
Spices.
Oh, spice.
Yeah,
Let me know if you want to like bring all your people who work with you and neighboring farmers and all. I'll come and do that snake show for you guys.
That's your business, huh?
Yeah, snake show.
Yeah.
The tickets you get there.
No tickets and all that. Just come sit down and throw whatever like one paisa.
Anna, Anna, yeah.
One Anna, two
one
Anna.
Anna, two
yeah,
Anna,
yeah.
you throw at me.
Oh,
That's-
lovely,
that's-
lovely.
What are you doing these days?
Bro, I'm unemployed like most people.
Okay.
That's why when he said my job only, it shook me.
Oh.
And you have such a niche job. That you,
Artist. Artist.
Art is forever. That
But
is
you know,
true.
my snake also now. Yeah, my snake also.
is
No,
little over the hill.
Yeah, he's little bit. He's not doing well now. Play music also it takes 10 minutes for him to start moving. Slow he's
It's
become.
like he's lost the rhythm.
You know anybody who has a snake?
No.
I can find one if you want. The British. Speaking of
No,
snakes.
I was reading something where my friend, he came from with a book from outside. There
From
is-
where?
Outside means outside what?
This one,
Outside
from-
the country.
Outside the country. From he
How
came
many
from
days he
sea.
traveled for?
About 45 days he came. Close by only.
Oh, close by.
Oh, you're
Very
close by.
Close by.
Outside border.
Sri
just-
Lanka, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
came from.
Oh, he swam across.
Yeah, and
yeah.
in the book, it is written British Empire. Empire.
Like cricket.
Oh, cricket empire. Okay, got it. I was scared.
That's
I
what
was
I'm
like,
asking. When will they go out? I've been asking.
Yeah,
for
I
that.
was thinking they're a company. There is the regular, like,
No, bro. Actually.
Empire?
Empire.
Like that.
Yeah,
the-
late night where we go after you have some rotten fruits.
No, after the snake show. The after party for snake show.
Yeah,
we go
after
to.
snake bite. when you're little bit
Yeah. That's great fun. That empire, this British empire.
That's what
No,
What do they do?
I don't know. They were saying this is British Empire. I was like, this is a company.
Yeah.
Why are they calling empire and all? What are they? They're not ruling us or
Bro,
anything.
that's
no?
the new news. This year only they are changing.
Ah.
This is because they've messed up.
Ours, it's not reached yet. This has not come yet.
Yeah,
Now, I'll have
no,
to go
I'm
back.
telling you.
I'll have to
telling you
travel
it's happening.
35 days and then tell them.
I'm telling you it's happening. It's not happened yet. That's what I'm saying.
happening?
Yeah, it is happening.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
Take it as written. It's going.
Oh.
East India Company is going. Empire is coming. Is that better for us? You guys decide.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know because see, for me, after the snake, now I'm thinking, I'll capture one lion.
Lion.
Ah.
See, actually, I found one, like one straw that was circular.
Yeah,
Like a hoop.
Yeah.
So I want the lion to jump from here there. I'm thinking there's more cash in that.
Yeah.
I think this is going to be big.
the
This
snake
is
will
new.
be the opening gig and then.
Yeah, headliner.
Headliner
Headliner.
lion.
If you have two animals, nothing like it.
Yeah.
30-30.
No, so my cousin sister also now,
Oh.
she's right now. So what happened was we were standing next to that, that ground is there.
Oh,
next
that-
to other ground.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Second
Second round.
Second
Second
round.
round.
The
yeah,
main
second
one.
round. Yeah.
Correct, that ground.
Yeah.
That ground, the British were playing one game.
Okay,
What
the
game?
British.
Kabaddi.
Not kabaddi, it's the ball, big ball was there.
Ball. Okay.
Then one guy kicked it. And it came and fell outside.
Yeah.
So my cousin sister took it and she ran. Now she's also training one elephant that we have in the house to balance the ball on its nose.
Oh.
So this is the 3 people act that we are thinking
Bro,
of
you
doing.
never mentioned yes, elephant. It's just casually.
I'm sorry, guys, I'm
Bro,
sorry.
First you tell me animals in order of size, reducing order. Okay.
No, that's all. I'm doing
Yeah.
elephant, lion, snake. 3 things there.
Nice.
Rule of 3. It's
Yeah,
going to
good
be
sorted,
amazing.
Sorted.
Yeah.
Sorted.
Nice.
I think this is called multiple sources of income, right?
Yeah,
In
you
this
need
day
it.
and age.
I'm hustling.
What is that word? What is this word? I have heard this word. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, but then another cousin came from
we
this
are
one,
all
US.
cousins. We are all
US he
cousins.
came from.
How many? Must have started some
2 years
15
back.
years ago.
Yeah,
2
yeah.
years back.
2 years back. He started there.
So I started there and he came.
He's a different person now.
Yeah,
He has
yeah.
changed.
He came. You know what is happening over there? One person, his neighbor. Okay, one person called Otis Wharton. First of all, name.
Otis.
Otis
Ah.
built one thing.
Lift.
Yeah, something. How did you know?
No, because
It sounds like a name you will see inside
I
a...
met an astrologer.
Okay.
He told me that in life, I said, will I go up? He said, one day Otis will take you.
Otis
Oh.
and lion too.
Otis and all. So I did not know.
Yeah.
Hey, tell
I don't know
something.
what this lift.
I
Lift,
heard
lift,
lift.
yeah.
Everyone's talking about lift, but tell me something. Why go up there? What about when I'm done upstairs?
I don't even like the concept. What, for one floor you want that or what?
Stairs are not enough
Yeah.
for people.
You can't
What's
just climb
the
stairs
problem?
and
No,
go.
firstly, I live in a ground floor house.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
There's no first floor only. What
Yeah,
will I do
what
with the
Otis
lift?
will do in my house?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm
I
on
don't
the
know.
streets. I'm unemployed. What I do with the
And
lift?
so many
I live
things.
in the lift if I can find one.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, lift is enough. That much space only 6 of us can
Yeah,
live inside
Otis,
it.
if I want, I'll write his name on one of the walls. He wants
Yeah.
the name, I'll keep
Yeah,
it there.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
so the thing is that
Ah,
it-
tell.
I'll tell you what it was, okay?
Tell.
It was like one steel, like one cage, steel
Okay.
cage.
Okay.
You close it and then it will go up. Okay, but
Like this one. Like, hey bro, your dad went to jail, no?
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You remember
Yeah,
that?
then he
The
went-
cage.
yeah,
Cage,
suppose the
but
jail
up-
go ups.
Oh, it goes up. The cage goes up.
I
Wow.
can't picture this only. Okay, okay.
Yeah, so
huh?
suppose I was asking him.
Who's
suppose-
pulling it?
I don't know. That's what Otis is saying. It's all like mechanics. It seems. I didn't even understand what that word was first
Yeah,
of
yeah,
all.
yeah,
Maybe there's a job there for me. I can
In
go and-
mechanics.
yeah, no, someone has to pull it, right? Like you're pointing
That
out.
is true. That is true.
I
But
think-
if the door doesn't close fully, like what? Like how will you know? What will there be a sound saying
It's a
please
good-
close the door or something?
I mean, the person inside. No. I mean, someone else who wants to close it will have to say it.
Yeah,
That's the only technology we have.
Like
in this day and age.
someone who's like there always.
yeah.
Somebody
In the
have
lift.
to, you'll have to sit there.
There's a guy on the ceiling.
On
we sit
ceiling.
on the
There are
top.
enough people, no?
Yeah, we have
unemployed. Why don't you do that?
Why am I not doing that?
Yeah.
Tell me the address, bro.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Just go
Is
there.
it next
just,
to the field only, right?
yeah, the third ground.
Third?
third ground. Yeah.
If I start now, I'll reach by next week. I'll
No,
reach.
start now.
Start now only. I'll
Yeah,
leave
yeah.
now only. Thank you so much. All right, see you.
All
Thank
right,
you.
see.
Thanks, man. You
Yeah.
gave a nice out.
Snakes.
This was great, Darius. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. This is going to come out in a week, right?
Yeah, in
Next Friday.
Next Friday. Next Friday.
Is there anything for our small audience you want to plug that?
Do you want to reveal the show that you're working on?
Yeah, anything. What's anything
the
coming up?
storytelling show that you're working on?
Which one, tell me?
The questions my son will ask me?
No, bro, not
Okay,
now.
okay, we'll come
I'll
to
first
that.
build it. I first want to show it to you only first.
No, because I've been
but
telling
in
him also
general,
about
I'm
it.
also okay.
Yeah,
So I'll tell you. So essentially, what's happening is that a promoter got in touch with us, and I also realized that it's been many years that I've been doing this. I'm closing in on 2 decades.
Yeah.
So I was like, maybe it's not a bad time now for me to travel
Yeah.
and tell people a story that I think is compelling. Because
Yeah.
see, I didn't want to go and straight away start picking on things and
Yeah.
telling jokes. I wanted to tell an experience or a story that's mine. And I feel like with the birth of my son, I finally have a circle that's
Yeah.
complete.
Yeah.
And now I'm working on something. Gautam knows. I called him and
I told him
me
also.
I told him.
Yeah.
I ran the concept by him and I said,
Nice.
"What do you think?"
It's a beautiful concept. Yeah.
So
It's
you're
a-
working on it right now, and you're building the show, basically.
Yeah, and
That's
I
awesome.
hope to start traveling next year
Yeah?
sometime. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
awesome.
Kritarth will travel with me.
Yeah.
If you guys are free, come for one of the shows.
But
Why not?
like, looking forward to the show, man.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
Whichever
looking
part of the
forward.
world, you guys tell me. You guys
Yeah.
want to come?
Oh, that would be
We'll
awesome.
Come. We'll come.
Let's do it.
But the thing is that like I love what you have told me about the show. I love it, and looking forward. I've not seen you on stage, so I've only seen you at your home.
I haven't seen myself on stage
Yeah.
myself
Yeah.
in a very long time. I should
Yeah.
get back on it.
That's
And home also come here. You don't come only anymore. Bring
I'll
him
come.
also and come.
yeah, dude, I'm
We'll
here
come.
every month. I'll
Yeah,
come.
yeah, we'll
Come
come.
next
Next
time,
time we'll come.
Done,
Next time we'll
done.
come. All
Sorted.
right.
Thank you
Cool.
so much.
Thank you so much. We are doing our own tours.
Yeah, watch us on tour, basically.
Okay. Thank you.
and
Thank you. Bye.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe,
That's to say
subscribe.
all
Yeah,
that
bye,
shit.
bye, bye.
Peace.